our country and achieve the vision of Lee Kuan Yew that Heb talks about are not going to come from anywhere. It is us who are here, who are going to begin by living the philosophy and the words of Prime Minister Tony Blair that the art of leadership sometimes is to say no, because saying yes is very easy. So that we say no to this hypocrisy, we say no to this kind of lies. You know, a mistake is not a mistake. Vile Waswahili wanasema kosa sio kosa, kosa ni kurudia. So let us not be buried in the past. And I keep telling people, even here in the US, when I meet Kenyans, let's stop talking about elections in 2022. That ended. Let's now be forward facing. We have an opportunity. We have an opportunity to change our life. We have an opportunity to do different things. And because of that opportunity, let's seize it and do the right thing, as it were. You know, many of you here are Christians, and you are Bible reading Christians. Even Jesus Christ used to ask those that he healed, do you want to be healed? Or do you want to be saved? Do you want to be healed? And they said yes. Some of them he said, your faith has healed you. And after that, the next thing Jesus told them, carry up your mat, get up and go. So my message to you, my brothers and sisters, is that do you actually want real change? So if you want real change, then get yourselves together, get your feet and hands in, let us change our country and move forward. Because no one is going to do it for us.